The thing what I want to say to you, I'm going to make a beautiful one for you today. And you guys definitely going to love this. Now, we got fresh mint. We're going to put some fresh mint into the blender. Right here. Look what Chef Ricardo been doing, guys. Alright, guys. Very important for you guys. Alright. Fresh mint into the blender. Alright. It's a recipe which I normally use all the time. And you guys know that recipe here by heart. We got some cucumber. Alright. So what we're going to do is cut up half a cucumber straight into the blender. Alright, half a cucumber. We got a medium-sized apple which we're going to be using. We're using green apple because we know that one works much better. Put in some green apple. Straight into the blender. Alright, that's lovely and nice. Alright, so we use one apple into the blender. Alright, now we're going to get one lemon, or you can use lime. Alright, so that's what Chef Ricardo is going to be using. I'm just going to remove the skin from the lemon. Cut it off and put it straight inside of a blender. Now we're gonna get a fat chunk of piece of a ginger. Alright. So this is the way of the ginger look. Just gonna simple remove the skin from the blender, from the ginger. Nice lovely chunk of piece of a ginger. That's what you want to put inside of it, alright? And we're going to get another little piece of a ginger. This piece doesn't. You make sure you remove the skin from the ginger. Alright, then cut into half and put it straight inside of it. Alright. Beautiful one, guys. 100%. Alright. So we got another little piece of a ginger. I'm just using up this little piece because you have to have a lot of ginger in it. Alright. Nice one. Ginger. Alright. Right there we got the ginger. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to put 2 pieces of a celery stick in it. Alright. Fantastic, guys. Lovely. Now we're gonna put some apple cider vinegar inside of it, roughly about a tablespoon. Alright. Now we're gonna put some water inside of it now, roughly about 2 cups of water to free up the blender. Alright, that is lovely. Nice. Secondly, we're just going to get it together like this, and then we're going to blend it. That looking good. Alright, that looking fantastic and amazing. So we're going to blend this right now. Not gonna take long. Gonna be a few minutes worth of a blending. All right. Yeah, it's a beautiful recipe, and you guys definitely will love this. All right. So I'm gonna make a little bit of a noise. You won't be for long, all right? Just a little bit of a noise, guys. 100%. All right, yeah. Nice one. All right, now we just finished blend it. All right, so yeah, just finished blend it. What we're gonna do now is strain it. Alright, we're just gonna strain it, alright? It's beautiful, but that's what we're gonna do right now. We're just gonna simply strain it. Alright, yeah. Run it through the strainer. Yeah. Beautiful one, guys. So this is how it look. Fantastic and amazing. All right, yeah. Yeah, beautiful one. So just gonna run it through the strainer. Alright. Yeah, you have to run it through the strainer. Really lovely, guys. So I just strain it, you know. Wow. As you can see exactly what I'm going right now. We're just straining it at the moment, alright? Yeah. Beautiful one, guys, from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Yeah, that is fantastic and amazing. That is just lovely, guys. It's one of those kind of recipe. So what you want to do, you just want to make it strain right down. All right. Yeah. You just want it to strain right now, you know. Nice one. So once it's strained, that's it. Right there. Alright, that's looking good. And that's exactly what we are talking about. Right there. Alright. Beautiful drink. And honestly, guys, as you can see for yourself, you want to drink this in the morning. In the morning, just drink this. Alright. It's a beautiful one. And trust me, you guys definitely will love it. Alright. Fantastic and amazing. So as you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right there. Alright, it's a beautiful one, and trust me, 100% you will love it. Alright, yeah man, just enjoy the recipe, and as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming and a lot more ideas coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Yeah, see how it look? Fantastic. So what you want to do? That's exactly what we're talking about. Beautiful, nice, and lovely. Alright? Yeah. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here. So you want to drink something like that in the morning. Alright? And that's exactly what I am talking about. Alright? So, yeah. Yeah, so enjoy it, and you know what I mean, leave your comments in the description box, and trust me, we have a lot more will be coming and a lot more ideas. All right, and a friend can tell a friend. It's a beautiful one, and trust me, 100% you guys definitely will love this. All right, yeah, one of a kind from Chef Ricardo today. So please enjoy it and subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Beautiful recipe. Again, from Chef Ricardo Cooking. So we're going to show you guys definitely that this recipe you can also make it at home, you know what I mean, in your kitchen, and everyone will be loving it. Trust me.